Hi students, good morning. This is Harsnath Shukla and today in class 12th we are going to discuss lecture number 12 and this is last lecture for topic for the chapter determinant. So class 12 lecture number 12 chapter is determinant and topic is application of matrices and application of matrix and determinant. Application of matrix and determinant. So this is lecture number 12 for class 12. Topic is application of matrix and determinant and chapter is determinant, chapter number 4. Maybe today this is finished because last lecture it may be. So what is the application? Solution of system of linear equation by matrix method. Solution of system of linear equation. Okay. So suppose let a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. These are the system of linear equation in 3 variable. 2 variable also solved from this, but we are going to consider 3 variable. So first of all, we see whatever the equations are consistent or inconsistent. So if we get the solution, that means the value of x, y, z, then it is consistent, otherwise inconsistent. So if this d1, d2, d3 are 0, so this is homogeneous equation. All are 0, then these are known as homogeneous equation. And in this situation only one solution, that's it, of x, y, z, that means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. And this particular solution is known as trivial solution. So first of all we form. Now matrix form is, matrix equation is Ax is equal to B, where A is the matrix formed by coefficients of x, y, z, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. And consistency of the equation is depend on this A also, because if determinant A is 0, then this is singular, and determinant of A does not equal to 0, then this is non-singular. If we find determinant of A is equal to 0, then we no need to solve the equation, because that condition equation is inconsistent, that means there is no solution. So if A is equal to determinant of A does not equal to 0, then only we proceed and solve the equation. And x is the x, y, z, this matrix. And what is B? B is, here we write, please see, B is equal to D1, D2 and D3. So these are the matrix formation, that means formation of equation in matrix form. Now, what is the procedure to solve this equation? So first of all, we see the procedure. Then after we consider an example and solve them. So if Ax is equal to B, if Ax is equal to B, then x is nothing but A inverse of B. And A inverse is what? Inverse of the matrix. So we need to find A inverse and then multiply it by B, we get the solution. But how will we find A inverse? For finding A inverse, you know very well, A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So before finding A inverse, we need to find adjoint of, and adjoint of A is nothing but determinant formed by, adjoint of A means determinant, matrix formed by the transpose of the matrix formed by the cofactor of A. So let us see an example, then it is clear. Solve the system of linear equation by matrix method. We are going to see the solution of this equation. Equation is given, system of linear equation is given. Question. System of linear equation is given. Equation is given by, first one is x plus y plus z 6, y plus 3z 11, and x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. So this is the system of linear equation 1, 2 and 3. Now we make the matrix equation. So Ax is equal to B. This is equation number 4, where A is equal to nothing but the matrix formed by the coefficient of x, y, z. So this is 1, 1, 1. 0 because the coefficient of x is not present here. 0, 3, 0, 1, 3, and 1 minus 2, 1, and x is equal to x, y, z, and b is equal to d1. So that means 6, 11, and 0. So this is the matrix equation Ax is equal to B. Now we find determinant of A. First of all, we find determinant of A. So that's your work. You have to find the determinant of A, and the determinant of A is what? Now determinant A means determinant of 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, and this is nothing but, you find it, this is equal to what? Determinant of A is equal to 9, and this does not equal to 0. You find it, you expand and find it. Is the determinant of A is equal to 9 or not? If it is 0, then no need to solve, because determinant of A is 0, the system of linear equation is inconsistent. So next step is find the adjoint of A. So before finding adjoint of A, we need to find cofactors of all the elements of matrix A. Now cofactors of matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. We have to find it one by one. Cofactor of 1, leaving this row and this column, then 1 1 and minus 2 3 are minus 6 plus 7. So we are just going to write it. First is 7, A12 is 3, you find it. This is minus 1, this is minus 3, this is 0, this is 3, this is 2, this is minus 3 and this is 1. So this is the cofactors of this. Now we form a matrix B such that this matrix is formed by the cofactors of the given matrix. So here a matrix B is nothing but matrix formed by the cofactor of matrix A. Matrix formed by cofactors of matrix A. Okay, and this is nothing but B is equal to 7, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, minus 3 and 1. This is the matrix formed by the cofactors of the given matrix A. Now what? Now we need to find adjoint of A. Now adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of P. That means first we write the definition. Adjoint of A is nothing but matrix transpose of the matrix formed by cofactors of A. So this is nothing but directly we write the transpose. Either we write it as then transpose or directly we write the transpose. 7 3 minus 1. This is in row, that means this is in column. 7 3 minus 1 minus 3 0 3 2 minus 3. This is the transpose of the matrix B and this is nothing but adjoint of. Now A inverse is nothing but X is A inverse B. So first of all A inverse is nothing but adjoint of E upon determinant of A. A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So A inverse is nothing but adjoint is 7 minus 3 2 and 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 and divided by determinant A, that means divided by 1 by 9, that means 9. And now the value of X is what? A inverse of B. So we write here X is equal to, so X is equal to A inverse of B. So A inverse is 1 upon 9, 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1, and b is what? We know very well b is what? B is nothing but 6, 11 and 0. And now this is multiplication of these three matrices. 7 6 is 42. We write here upside because space is not there. So we write it as x is equal to 1 upon 9, and now this is 7 6 are 42 minus 33. That means you know the multiplication of the matrices. This is a 3 cross 3, this is 3 cross 1, so resulting matrix is 3 cross 1. So this is 42 minus 33, 42 minus 33 plus 0, 18 plus 0 plus 0, minus 6 plus 33 plus 0, and this becomes x is equal to 1 upon 9. This is nothing but 9, 18, 27, and if you multiply x is equal to, x is also x, y, z, so this is nothing but 9 1s are 9, 1, 2, 3, so the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. So in this manner we have to solve the first system of linear equations. So I hope you try to solve these type of equations and get the answer. So your homework is exercise 4.6. Thank you.